How to reverse memory loss from poor nutrition without supplements. Memory decline can often be traced to poor nutrition, but it doesn't always require supplements to improve. With deliberate lifestyle changes and mindful eating, cognitive function can be restored naturally. Discover the memory-saving breakthrough that's helping seniors reverse memory loss. Visit the link below in the description to find out how to reverse memory loss. Here's how to reverse memory loss from poor nutrition without supplements. 1. Eat nutrient-dense foods. Focus on whole grains, leafy greens, berries, nuts, and seeds. These foods provide steady glucose, antioxidants, and healthy fats that protect neurons and support memory. 2. Include adequate protein, lean meats, eggs, and legumes supply amino acids essential for neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which enhance focus and memory retention. 3. Stay hydrated. Even mild dehydration affects brain function. Drink water consistently throughout the day to maintain optimal neuronal activity. 4. Exercise regularly. Aerobic activity improves blood flow to the brain, while strength training boosts neurotrophic factors that stimulate neuron growth. 5. Prioritize sleep and mental stimulation. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to consolidate memories. Engage in puzzles, reading, or learning new skills to strengthen neural pathways. 6. Support gut health naturally. High-fiber foods and fermented items like yogurt and kimchi foster a healthy gut microbiome, which is closely linked to cognitive function. Memory loss caused by poor nutrition is reversible. By following these strategies, mindful eating, exercise, hydration, and mental stimulation, you can restore memory and enhance overall brain health. Learning how to reverse memory loss from poor nutrition without supplements empowers you to regain focus, clarity, and confidence in daily life. Discover the memory-saving breakthrough that's helping seniors reverse memory loss. Visit the link below in the description to find out how to reverse memory loss. Consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.